If you have deep roots, you will never be thirsty. If you have deep roots, no wind can break you. The roots have been cut by the Suki to keep you dependent and weak. This ends today. I will give you your roots back. Number 1. Where is your Rodina? Your Heimat? Your homeland? It is a place, not a nationality. Write it down. Number 2. Do some research. Who are the warriors and kings that fought for the freedom and well-being of your Rodina? In America, some of the most honorable warriors are President Lincoln and President Jackson, because they fought against the control of the Suki banks with all their power. Number 3, no matter where you live, research the honorable warriors of your past, and then hang up a picture of them, instead of a stupid musician or movie poster. Number 4, put into your calendar the day of birth and the day of death of the warrior. On these 2 days, you will celebrate the warrior of your Rodina. But remember, Grimms come from different cultures. Honoring your own Rodina means respecting another Grimm's Rodina. Number 5, even if you come from troubled family, do some research. Find one ancestor who was honorable and also hang up their picture. You will find them. Light a candle on their day of birth and on their day of death, and honor them with silence. Number 6, honor the warriors and ancestors by sharing their work with other Grimms. We are all connected by a covenant of honor. The Suki make you weak and depressed by cutting your roots. Reconnect to your ancestors, to your heritage, to those people in your bloodline who came before you, who fought hard, sacrificed, and served this world. They are waiting for you. They want to help you. They will honor you if you honor them. Regrow your roots, and you will stand tall in any storm. Be honorable.